Well, I finally got a haircut.
Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. All of these are fun, so let's get started and jump right into it.
Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? I'm Enrique, and today we're going to go over how to draw Bugs Bunny in Space Jam 2 as an Among Us crewmate. So there's like a whole lot of layers on top of layers on that one. I like it. I was searching, I couldn't find anybody else that did it, so I wanted to do it. So one thing I want you to do is I want you to go check out the description. The description has a lot of tools for you to become a better artist. There's playlists on there that I think are very favorable. And there's also a free How to Draw Cute ebook that I'm giving to everybody totally for free. The link was broken before, but I fixed it. Otherwise, I'm going to keep adding stuff to that to kind of give you the tools to become a better artist faster. Otherwise, that is it. We can jump right into the video immediately. If you want, oh, actually, one thing before we jump into the video, give me a like if you like me on camera. So I just started introducing these videos and putting my face on camera. I didn't really do that much before, but if you like it, hit the like button and I will know to do more of it. So let's jump into the video, okay? Let's get started. Okay, so let's go into, the Bugs Bunny, Space Jam 2 Among Us character. I'm gonna be using this Crayola brand marker. And that's kind of it. If you like this kind of topic, if you like me appearing on camera as well, definitely hit the like button because that's gonna let me know what to post more of, and it's gonna let me know, kind of give me a guide of what to do more. So let's go over here, and we're gonna start with the visor right here. It's funny because I'm still addicted to Among Us, even though it's been a while. Curve down here for the front. I'm gonna curve around this corner here. And I'm gonna curve underneath. So we have that visor, right? That crewmate visor. I'm gonna go over here for the forehead and I'm gonna draw a curve back. Like that. Gonna draw some zigzag lines here for the hair. And I'm gonna pull back just a bit. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the ears. So I'm going to have one ear going to angled out and the other one kind of bent. So right here. Right there. See that kind of like, it's kind of a, it's like a giant curve with a little bit of a back at the end. And curve here. Over here. Curve on the inside. We're drawing the inside of the ear. Curve in. Don't forget we're going to color this afterwards, so absolutely stick around for that. I'm going to go over here. Okay, so this other one with the bent ears, I'm going to go over here. Bend that ear. Go up here. And so we're going to have that shape kind of going toward the head. And I'm going to go and make this flat at the top because it's going to be bent. Curve over here, curve right here, over here, line down, and line in here. So now you got his ears, right? You got Bugs' ears. Curve a little bit over this side. So we're gonna have that. So this is not just his version. It's gonna have the Space Jam 2 version. So he has to be wearing that T-shirt. So I'm gonna pull down just a bit here, or the jersey, right? He has to have the jersey on. I'm going to draw a curve line here for that jersey shape, and it's gonna go on over here. So it's gonna be like a curve. It's gonna be a curve down, up, pulling down. Pull this line downward here, right, for his kind of almost egg-like shaped body here. And we're gonna curve around the bottom. So we got his jersey shape. We are going to go in here and draw his foot, which is gonna be just kind of a flat marshmallow shape. We're gonna pull down over here on this left side, pull in, pull up, okay? Pull over here on the front here, pull in, pull up. So we got his feet now, his bunny feet. And I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna put like a straight, it's gonna be a zigzag, like a wavy line. See that wavy line? Cool. Okay, we're gonna draw his tail. And so we're gonna go to the back and we're gonna go curve up, zigzag a little bit, and then pull in. We have Bugs' tail. And I'm gonna draw another zigzag right here to kind of, for that color differentiation. Last thing, I'm gonna draw the backpack, and that's at the, usually it's around this point. It's about halfway through the visor. Go over here, curve down, and it's gonna go behind that tail. There is one more thing I forgot to mention. Let's draw Toon Squad on here, okay? So I'm gonna do it in marker because it's just a lot easier. Don't forget, you know, share the video if you do enjoy it. It really helps the channel out. Thank you so much. Toon Squad, and we're gonna actually color it after the fact, so it's not gonna be a big deal. You can draw kind of a rim as well for the kind of the rims of the, what do you call it? Like the shirt, that top part. Okay, so now we got this done. We are about to jump into color mode, okay? Let's jump into color mode. Okay, so I'm gonna be using colored pencils. The brand is usually RoseArt, Crayola, or Scholastic. Any cheap brand will do, don't worry about it. You can use Prismacolor if you want. I don't recommend it fully because sometimes the Prismacolor is more for like fine shading and stuff like that. So you don't really need it for this. It's just gonna be flat coloring. Let's jump into this. I'm gonna go in and get a gray right here, and the Crayola gray is good enough. Right here I'm gonna do for obviously the Bugs Bunny's fur. And the gray is pretty good, actually. It goes down pretty dark. Sometimes I like, see what I'm doing right now? I'm just kind of going down on it regularly. I'm not doing anything special. I'm going in every direction. It doesn't matter the direction as long as I kind of overall have an even value, right? Sorry about that. I'll try not to block this whole thing as I'm doing it. Yeah, like so. Going over here, like I said, still doing that same exact thing. You know, I forgot one quick thing. I'm gonna draw lines here for kind of the stomach area of Bugs Bunny. Forgot to do that. All right, so I'm going over here, just kind of filling it in. And it's any direction. It's like coloring your own coloring book. I always say that, coloring your own coloring book. That is what this channel essentially teaches you to do. You know, you make your own coloring book and you color it. All right. Right on, going well. So right now what I'm doing is, like I said, just kind of going flat every direction. As far as the channel goes, thank you so much. I appreciate the support. There's some amazing people on this channel. I'm gonna be posting once a day for a while. I'm excited for Halloween. I might upgrade it to more often because when Halloween comes, I just want to draw. There's so many ideas I want to draw, so it's kind of like it's not gonna be enough 30 days, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. Still, just kind of filling in that what I consider to be the gray area, like so, on the top part of that tail. Okay, we're doing good. Oh, whoops, I forgot down here in the legs. You know, I forgot this little sliver right here. Right on. Actually, let me do one little thing, which I think is gonna be cute. So I'm gonna draw a little ball here, just floating. Little basketball, circle, and I'm gonna draw a line through it, right? Try to imagine like drawing lines on an egg almost. You know, it has that curvature. And I draw a little bit of a curve right here at the top, and a little bit of the bottom there, because I think that's the pattern of a basketball, right? I'm doing it, yeah, I don't know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab that orange. Well, I'm gonna wait to color that because it might be wet. So let's go into the lens here a little bit. I'm gonna go with the blue. And I'm gonna throw a line over here. Maybe like a triangular kind of line going on. On. Like so. So it's just like a triangle, and I'm throwing in some edges here, and that makes it look like shine over here. And you can even draw like maybe like a block or something there. Makes it look like shine on that visor, right? It's funny because I never thought about these two things mixing. Okay, now we're gonna grab the orange here and the scholastic. And I'm gonna fill in this basketball here. Sorry if I'm moving this too much. Cool. And okay, so last thing is we gotta color the, well, not even the last thing, sorry. Let's go in with a beige. What is this? Like a pink, any pink or beige. We have to go to the inside of Bugs Bunny's ear. That's more of a pink. That works, the inside of that ear. There we go. I like that. I like that color a lot, actually. Yeah, go for pink more than beige. Okay, now let's color the jersey. The jersey has kind of this rainbow color thing going on to it from one side. So what I'm gonna do right here is I'm going to draw an arch right here with that same blue, and I'm gonna fill in just the left side of the jersey right here. Sorry if I'm moving the camera there. See how I just kind of filled it in? I do it halfway through the U and the S, kind of. It's just the left side, really. Let's go over here with the red next. I'm gonna curve it here. That's why I put that in marker right there, this Toon Squad, because it's gonna be a little bit obscured from this, from the coloring. Right there. That's the red. Let's go with the orange. Right here, another curve. Doesn't have to be too big of an arc there, or space. It's this kind of like rainbow like length kind of thing. And then we're gonna go over here for the yellow. The yellow is a Rose Art brand. The yellow barely shows up on the page, in my opinion. So be aware of that with the yellow. Sometimes if you want to use like a dark yellow, that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna grab that red again, and I'm gonna color this strip right here, all the way through. Ooh. Okay then, that is it. That is a Bugs Bunny Toon Squad. Sorry, from Space Jam 2, the Legacy, I think, right? It's called, or Legacy Continues, or New Legacy. Sorry, there you go. Space Jam 2 and New Legacy. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Like I said, if you got to this point, say hi to me in the comment section. I would love to hear what you have to say. Hit the like video and also share the video. Check out the links, and I will talk to you next time, okay? See you soon.